this is what my kitchen looks like today. Yep, so plate now, guys. Well, obviously the door's not on yet, but that's obviously another story. But this is what it looks like. Got air fryer, kettle, coffee maker and toaster. Over this side, we've got oven. In here, you got washing machine. There's the sink. And, well, there's the microwave. Don't know why that's left open. And also, boiler. So yeah, they've all got soft close. We've also got like a cupboard over here. Right, that's got all stuff in it. Oh, there's my crisp drawer. And this is my cupboard here with my glasses, my well, the salt vinegar and everything, all my different things that I like to eat. And yeah, that's that one. This is just like the whole entire thing. Like, this is like what the kitchen looks like. Just ignore the washing up, guys. Yep, but this is basically my new kitchen. What do you think of it, guys? Let me know in the comments. Bye, guys.